Welcome to Code with Cher. Here, we turn complex coding concepts into simple, easy-to-follow tutorials. Whether you're a beginner or looking to sharpen your skills, you're in the right place. Subscribe and start your coding journey with me today. In this video, we will try to understand how linear search works in array. Let's assume an array with size of 6. Perfect. Now we have an array with elements 45, 12, minus 13, 76, 8 and 1. If we want to search a number and check whether it is present or not in the array. In the array we have to find 8, so we will do is that we will compare 8 with array elements using for loop. It will compare every element with 8. When 8 will be found in array at index 4, it will return 1 to main function, and in the main function the output will be given to use a saying present. Let's move to coding part.